Is your back always hurting? Do you want a solution for your back issues? Regardless if you're standing up all the time, sitting down all the time, maybe you're crouched looking at your computer or your phone. Trust me, I know the feeling. The pain, especially above your butt right here, is not a fun pain. Today I'm gonna show you some simple yet effective exercises that you can do to stretch your back to take and eliminate all the pain away. Okay, so the first exercise, we're gonna grab a mat. You can do this outside, you could do this in the comfort of your living room. Lay down, look at my legs, place your hand right here like you're taking a picture. Hola, how are you? Now what I want you to do is stick out your thumb, and I want you to place it wherever the pain is on your body, right here, above your butt. And then the first step you're gonna do is bring your knee down, extend it, and lift it up. Notice my toes is pointed as far down. I bring it down and repeat. So we go 1, 2, down, and repeat. We're gonna do this a total of 10 times. I'm just gonna give you an example right now. So it's 1, 2, center, down. 1, 2, center, down. Within 10 times of doing this on each side, you're gonna feel your back feeling so alleviated. You're gonna do the same thing for the opposite side. So watch again. I'm gonna place my hand like I'm taking a picture, put my thumb, find the problem area, and I'm gonna bring my knee down. Extend, up, down, and repeat. So again, 1, 2, bring it down and repeat. 1, 2, down, and repeat. Do this 2 sets of 10, you're gonna see your back is gonna start feeling better. I'm gonna show you now the scorpion stretch exercise. This is one of my ultimate favorites that really has helped me relieve lower back pain. What you're gonna do is, on your mat, you're gonna extend all the way down, and you're gonna place your arms out. You're going to bring one leg up, hike it, and bring the toe to the opposite direction. And now you're gonna lift your arm up and hold it for 10 seconds. We're gonna hold it here for 10 seconds. You're gonna feel a good, kind of like a sweet and sour pain right here, because it's gonna hurt a little, and you're gonna feel it, but it's alleviating all the tension that you have in your body. So once the 10 seconds are up, you're gonna bring your arm down and bring your leg back to the original position. Now you're gonna hike it up again, opposite side. Go to the opposite, bring that toe down, hold it, and from here, hold it for 10 seconds. You're gonna feel it. Right now, I may not be exaggerating, but I am feeling this stretch, and it is a bit painful, but because my legs are tight, my lower back is tight, and I bring it down. Okay? You're gonna do this for a total of 2 rounds on each side. This lower back exercise is amazing. All you need is to grab a wall, find one in your house, and you're gonna place your hips against the wall. Bring your arms straight out, and you're gonna lift your leg just like this. And we're gonna do 2 sets of 10 by doing the following. We're gonna bring the leg in and back out. So bring it in, that knee, and out. That's 2. So what you're gonna feel is immediately this is alleviating lower back pressure, okay? So say you have joint problems and you're saying, man, I can't do this. Hold on to a chair. So imagine there's a chair right here. So I want you to bring that hip in and back to the wall. We're gonna repeat this 10 times on each side. So watch from the back, glue my hips to the wall, bring the leg up, and notice I'm shifting. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna do this for 10 times. So 2 sets of 10. All right, and that was it. Those were my stretches. I really want you to try these exercises on a daily basis and really do this on a weekly basis. Why? Because you want to prevent injuries and, most importantly, alleviate the stress on your back. If you're really serious about taking your nutrition and fitness to the best level, go ahead and visit my website, jasonroselle.com. The link is on the description. I have programs for women and men, all shapes and sizes, no matter where you live. It's about getting your mind right, body tight. Remember, we only have one life, one body. We gotta make it the best one. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my episodes, and I'll see you in the next one.